Hi everybody, welcome to Excel Prop Marketing Services. While we are looking at 2 BHK sample apartment of phase 2 and 1, if you're interested for a phase 3 2 BHK apartment, don't forget to call us. We'll be sharing our contact number. This is a sample apartment of phase 2 and 1. I'm repeating, do not get confused with phase 3. Phase 1 model apartment is completely different. Since we are not allowed to record it, so it's still under it's not, they have not applied for RERA yet, but they have started collecting expression of interest. If anybody is interested, looking out for the best units, hurry up. Inventories are getting sold. You will not get the inventories if you are planning to visit after launch, because before launch itself people are booking it. Actually, I'll just show you sample how many customers are already there at site. So that's the crowd what we have at the site. Actually, yeah. Well, I'll tell you the tentative price for a 2 BHK 64.99 lakhs as the starting price for a 2 BHK, and 90 lakh for a 3 BHK Jodi unit, 1588 square feet, and 1092 will be 2 BHK apartment. This is going to be the larger 2 BHK in an entire KRDBA land. Trust me, this is one of the bigger 2 BHK Jodi what Godrej is providing. They keep their promises and they always deliver the project on time. So we have sample apartments of phase 3. The site was right hand side of the marketing office. From the balcony, from where I'm recording, from there I'm saying, right? So that is where the marketing office, the sample apartments of phase 3 available. Too sunny today, but customers are always here at the site. Inventories are getting sold. It's sold in the sense people are blocking it by selecting their floor and what facing that they are looking, and the tentative price builder is telling, and then they are giving the check, which is not bankable as if now. Once if they officially launch, once if they get the RERA officially, they will invite all the customers who have shown interest during the soft launch, and they will for them you all will be welcome with special it's like a special welcome to the customers who have shown interest, who have given the expression of interest, who have booked or blocked a unit of a specific unit of your choice, and at that time the actual details will be shared with you, like the floor plan and everything. Let's assume after giving the check, if you are not okay with for any reason, if you want to cancel, you can take your check back during the launch, right? But however, we have seen zero cancellations in Godrej properties till now. I have personally not seen it, the customer cancelling it after booking, because they make the floor plans and in that way. Just look out the ventilation, not even one single light is on. I think, yeah, one is on there, I'm sorry. Yeah, but room, nothing is on. You can look out. All right. I think only when we enter, they have only a small light is on. Reaches everybody. We'll be sharing our number. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay safe. Have a nice day. Stay safe, everybody.